on. Oh, wow. Oh, God, we got it alone. Wow.
These are 1200.
And you can't see out here?
You can a little bit. You can mostly see out the door frames though.
It's really stupid how they made this.
This Mitzi?
Yep. Don't worry.
Wow.
Don't you fucking worry about it. Hold on. You can see the conduits go by too. That's the highway. He's there somewhere. I don't know. I'm calling nuts. So
I tried not to begin all alone.
Yeah, so cool.
I'm gonna go over here. This one's all.
I want to get a nice view here.
I don't know. I didn't even know Jonathan was here.
I saw Johnny downstairs.
I did not know he was here.
Dang. This place is so cool.
Wait, you haven't been up here.
I've never been here.
Yeah, it's got a really nice view.
Oh, yes.
Jared, stay with Jay. Come on.
Here, Jared. Can you... Yeah.
There's the Sears Tower. There's the Aeon right there.
Jay has a wig.
Oh, gosh. Because that's going to be it for me. Here's an elevator.
The conduits pass by.
Here, this one?
Yep, it's this one.
You guys go down and I'll wait for Sam. Okay.
I'm going to push the button. Turn me this way.
Coming down? Yep. Oh, wait, there's Sam.
Samuel.
You coming?
Hey, Sam.
Alright.
Oh. Oh my god.
Oh, wow, Alex, wow.
Alex,
Way to come 8 minutes late.
Go ahead. Oh my god.
Good Lord. You get separated? Another time when you're calling me, you're all the way at Walgreens or something.
Next time I call you home, we can.
Who's calling me now? And where's Johnny? Speaking of devils. Hey, Johnny.
Johnny disappeared out of nowhere.
Are we what? Nope. Is Johnny still up there? No. No, we're still in 300 grand off.
Hey, buggers.
Oh, here's, okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Time to Bed Bath and Beyond.
No.
Let's watch it go up. Up, here comes an elevator.
I see the two on the back.
Whoa. That is so cool. I'll watch it from here. This place is so cool. Sorry. This place is so cool. Just like a man. Alrighty, we're gonna get a good video of these elevators here. Alrighty, we got up here.
Alex. Okay. Wait outside. I want to wait for a run.
Okay.
I want to see you. We'll meet you in this car.
Here we go.
Yeah, Sam.
Oh my gosh. Come on in.
Oh, you're here.
Ready?
I'll get another elevator.
I love that door closed sound.
Yep. These are cool elevators. 1,200 feet per minute.
$1,400 feet per minute, it says here.
14?
What?
That's what it says over here. 1,400 feet per minute.
I'll have to check another one, what it says.
1,400? For 41 floors? Are you joking?
Man, I guess that's ruined. Oh, there you are. They just gotta get
These elevators, it said, look,
Let's watch it.
You can like override. Oh, Alex. Hey, this one says 1,400 as well.
1,400.
Yeah,
Alright, where do you want to go now?
I guess that is gonna be it for me.